Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how many envelopes you can create in Goodbudget. Goodbudget is a digital budgeting app based on the envelope budgeting method. The number of envelopes you can create depends on whether you're using the free or paid version. The free version of Goodbudget allows you to create a total of 20 envelopes. This is broken down into 10 regular envelopes for your monthly expenses like groceries and bills, and 10 more envelopes for annual or goal-based savings, such as a vacation or car repair fund. If you need more than 20 envelopes, the paid version of Goodbudget, called Goodbudget Premium, is the way to go. With Goodbudget Premium, you get unlimited regular envelopes and unlimited annual/goal envelopes, giving you the flexibility to budget for as many categories as you need. So, to summarize, the free version of Goodbudget offers 20 envelopes in total, while the paid version provides unlimited envelopes. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.